Osmo Pocket 4. First use. Remove the gimbal clamp and rotate the touchscreen to power on. Make sure to activate the camera using DJI Mimo before first use. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device. Scan the QR code on the screen to download and install the DJI Mimo app. Run the app, register your account, and then log in. Tap the camera icon on the home screen. The device name will be displayed. Tap Connect. When the verification code appears, tap Accept. Follow the prompts in the app to activate the camera. After successfully activating the camera, the app will display a prompt. If you have purchased or plan to purchase DJI Care services, you need to complete the purchase and binding within 30 days of activation. Once activation is complete, you can use the camera. Once connected, a prompt will appear in DJI Mimo when new firmware is available. To ensure an optimal experience, it is recommended to update your camera to the latest firmware version immediately. Before an update, make sure the battery level is sufficient. Tap the download icon on the home screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. When the firmware is successfully updated, the device will automatically restart, and a prompt will appear. After activation, complete the on-screen tutorial. Push the joystick to control the gimbal movement. The further you push, the faster the gimbal rotates. Press or double press the zoom button to switch between zoom levels. Press and hold the custom button to customize single and double press actions. Press the shutter record button once to start or stop recording. Swipe right in the camera view to enter playback. Swipe right again to favorite or delete the file. Swipe left in the playback view, or press the joystick once to return to the camera view. Install the handle with thread to the camera for more comfortable grip. If you have purchased the Creator Combo, you can install a tripod to the handle for static shots. Attach the wide-angle lens to expand the FOV. The included microphone transmitter automatically links with the camera once powered on. When linking is successful, the current volume level will appear in the camera view. You can attach the fill light for low-light shooting. Remove the fill light and the wide-angle lens when shooting is complete. Rotate the screen, or press and hold the shutter record button to power off. The gimbal automatically rotates to the axis-locked position. When powered off, charge the camera using the provided cable via the USB-C port. Before storing, attach the gimbal clamp to prevent damage. Place the device in the bag with the touchscreen facing inward.